it's me, Blue. So if you're not really into the things, or if you just haven't noticed, a lot of things have been going on. Like the beginning of spring just happened, Easter's in a week, and you guys know I'm redecorating my room, so a bunch of fun things are happening. And so I thought it'd be cool if I showed you how to make springtime unicorn piñata that you can give to your little cousins or little brothers and sisters or little family members. You can put little like chocolates and treats inside and let them beat it open. If you kind of think about it, piñatas are a little disturbing because you're beating this cute little animal with a stick. Okay, let's get started. First you'll need some tacky glue, different colors of tissue papers, paper, regular paper, like cardstock, a cardboard box, scissors, a pencil, tape, and some string. The first thing to do is get to your cardboard box and draw a outline. I guess it's an outline, yes. Draw the outline of a unicorn, cut it out, and then use your cutout to draw another unicorn, so then you have two identical unicorns. The next step is to cut out strips from your cardboard box that are about an inch thick. Lay your horse bodies foot to foot or hoof to hoof and tape the piece of cardboard, the strip of cardboard, to both of their feet. Then tape all the cardboard to the outlines of the body. If you're going to add candy, make sure you add candy before you close up the feet. Now get your tissue paper, cut it up into strips, and then fringe it. If you don't know what fringing is, watch closely. Cut your fringe into strips, and then starting from the bottom, glue all your fringes on until the whole unicorn is covered in your fringe. Before you cover your unicorn's back with fringe, add some string with tape or glue. The next thing to do is get your piece of cardstock, cut it into a circle, curl that circle into a cone, and glue the cone onto your unicorn's head. After that, cut different strips of colored tissue paper and glue them on the unicorn as the mane and as the tail. Lastly, add your eyes. And that's it. Now all you have to do is find the key. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and check out all the other Cool Glitter Girls videos. Bye!